Mullet Man here. Alright, this truck right here is made for the outdoorsy kind of person. Let me tell you what happened to me this morning. This morning I was coming into work, and this morning I had Mama's chili for breakfast, and man, Mama's chili's got a kick. It's got a kick like an armless ninja in a fight for its life. Woo, woo, woo. And so I was going down the road, and that little ninja wanted to come out. And I was like, I can't make it to work. I gotta get somewhere. I gotta get somewhere quick. But the good news is I remembered what kind of truck I was riding in. And it told me what I should do. It said, Mullet Man, listen to me. And this is what it said. It said, turn off road. Don't do it in your pants, Mullet Man. Turn off road. And so I took the steering wheel and I slung it over into the side over there with these 4x4 wheels. And I turned off road. And man, I am grateful for it. I feel so much better. But to the man and the woman walking their little dog this morning, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to see that, but things had to be taken care of. Sorry about that. So let me tell you about this truck. It's a 2015 Toyota Tacoma with turned off road, okay? And it's only got 84,000 miles. Now, in Toyota years, that's like a brand new baby that's just been born, getting its first breath of life. This baby is ready to roll. It's got a long future in front of it. Now, hey, I want to thank all my home skillets for liking my video and showing all the friends. I don't know any about this internet stuff. I asked Mom, I said, Mama, have you seen my video on Facebook? And she said, no, son. She evidently has downloaded this new game on her phone that she keeps playing. She says it's called Tinder. It's where cougars will attack unsuspecting prey. And from what I understand, the mamas are winning. So anyways, I need you to share and like this video and tell all your friends about Mullet Man. Mullet Man needs to sell some trucks this week, and I'm going to tell you, if you got to go, buy the Turdmobile, okay? Turn off road. It's a great reminder for you. Check us out, Crossroads Auto Sales.